Hello friends, welcome to this session. In this session I am going to talk about my awesome journey as a AWS community builder since last 2 years, and also I will going to cover how you can become AWS community builder, what are the application process, and what you have to do after you become the AWS community builder once enter into the programs to make it your journey more exciting. So let's get started. I was applied AWS Community Builder programs in 2020, and I was get accepted in 2020 first time as a AWS Community Builder, and then I started my journey. That was a really exciting journey, and today I am ready really exciting and pleasure to announce that I got accepted continuously for third year in this program as a AWS community builder. So it is really great news for me. Like I was joined in 2020 for this program, and continuously for this third year I got accepted into this program. So it is really exciting journey to be a AWS community builder, and this AWS community builder program is really exciting and amazing program supporting the community. So let's first start with what is exactly the AWS community builder program. Okay, so AWS community builder program offering the technical resources, education and networking opportunity to all the AWS technical enthusiastic throughout the world, and that will whoever is passionate to share their knowledge, connect with the technical community. So AWS community builder programs, it is running globally, and it is also incorporating the diverse community from throughout the globe, and they are giving the opportunity to all the AWS enthusiastic who are really excited to learn and share their knowledge throughout the globe through different channels. They are always welcoming the application for this AWS community builder program twice a year, and so this is all about this AWS community builder program is. So in AWS community builder program, generally if you want to apply this AWS community builder program, so first you have to come onto this page. This is a AWS community builder official page, from where like www.amazon.com/developer/community and community builder. So here this is the official page of AWS community builder program, and this AWS community builder program give you the opportunity to continuously learn new things, continuously learn about AWS services. Then you are also get the chance to network with other technical AWS enthusiastic people. You can have a connection with the AWS person who are working on the AWS services, even AWS heroes, AWS exciting technical community from throughout the world. So this is a really good program where you can get the technical mentorships from the subject matter experts. There are a lot of webinars and a lot of things are going on behind the scenes in this program once you get accepted. Okay, so what is the process? First so this is all about this AWS community builder program, and another thing is what are the benefit for joining this program. So you can see here, these are some of the listed benefit on to join the AWS builder program. Here first thing is like AWS product team, and directly you can get in touch with AWS product team who is actually working on the particular product and get information about the services and new features. Also there are a lot of AWS experts, subject matter experts are giving talks and webinars every week on different topics, and also new features and many things. So this is really help us to educate yourself, and then later you have to give that knowledge back to the community. So it is kind of like learning and sharing opportunity. Apart from this, like directly touch with the AWS people, there is a lot of webinars on the different topics, even technical and non-technical. there was a promotional credits you got to explore the new services, say create the content and share it with the community by using these promotional credits. So this is a really exciting. Like initially they was giving $500 credit when you start the journey towards one accepted into the program. Opportunity to connect with the AWS technical minded people and developer from throughout the globe, and all are really supportive. AWS Community Builder Program manager are really organizing and this program really well, and they are managing them well. They are AWS Community Builder team really doing great and awesome job since the beginning of this program, because I joined it in the 2020, like when recently they started this program, and I see like they are improving this program day by day very well. They are listening each and every person in the program, and it was really they are making this program really community oriented. They are taking the suggestion from the technical minded community people and keep improving the AWS products by taking all the suggestion. And so there are a lot of things like client keeping the solution for the client, giving the mentorship to the wider technical audience to get that knowledgeable, and support with the webinar, like how you can create amazing contents and all those kind of things. So it is really amazing program. Here are some of the FAQs. These are some benefits. Those are not just limited. There are a lot of other benefits as well, like you get the AWS certification voucher, even you get the some learning portals access subscription for until you are in the programs, and also there are welcome kits, swags you are getting. So there are a lot of things behind the scenes. So who can apply for this program? Like anyone who is matching this age criteria above 18 years, and those are no, there is a specific criteria, but those are matching this age criteria, and they are technically exciting, enthusiastic people. They can apply for this program. So these are there are no specific criteria, but this application open 2 times in the years, like twice a year this application opens, and once you are once application open, you need to apply for this, and once you get accepted into the program, that's like then you need to do the further process as they suggest. So these are some of the other FAQs, like this AWS Community Builder Program and Hero programs are different things. AWS Community Builder programs are kind of like VIP programs. There are application coming from throughout the globe, a lot of application, and from that they are filtering and just accepting few members into this program. And AWS Hero program is different thing, like that is not just taking application, but they are something nominated from AWS side for AWS Cloud enthusiastic. So these are some things about Bing. There are also, when you apply for AWS Community Builder Program, you need to select some categories. Like these are the different categories. You might need to at least select 2 categories from these this category when you are applying for program. Like there are container, data, developer tools, front end, web and mobile. There is a game, Graviton, cloud operation, machine networking, and lot of this security, serverless, storage. These are the different category. From that you need to choose any 2 categories while you are applying for the AWS Community Builder Program application. Okay, so currently here you see, like in this page, it is showing like add your name to the wish list. So say for example you want to be AWS Community Builder, then just click on this, go to this page and click on this, and right away add your first name, last name, your preferred communication email and your country, and submit it. So as soon as this program application open twice a year, you will get this notification on your email, and then here you will see the apply button for joining this program. Okay, so once you get that apply button, there are some prerequisite for this. They are whenever you making application, AWS Community Builder teams are checking like based on your criteria or category you applied. They are also looking for some content. Already you are doing some community work, like creating videos or blogs or giving talks like that. So when you are applying for community builder program, make sure you have at least a few contents ready, at least two, and to showcase that, so they get idea like you are doing some community work and you are some community enthusiastic to join this program. Okay, and also why you want to join this program, so you need to be ready with those kind of question. So once you get the apply now button, there will be a great article here written by Adil. So Adit Modi written here good article on this AWS Community Builder program, how to apply and get accepted. So here you can see like once you get the application button open, you will see like this. Instead of this add to wish list, you will see this button like this, apply to become a AWS Community Builder. So once you click on this apply button, you will see different options for that categories. So you need to give priority, like at least two category you need to choose and give that priority. So this your application will be reviewed by those particular categories leads. Okay, so they can decide what they can do. It will also ask you for reason, like why you want to join this program, some your social media presence. Then also you need to share some contents about your blogs, video or event you speak about. You need to fill some survey regarding the your technical blog or speaking or hosting events or any tutorials you are creating. And these are some criteria as I already explained, like your age must be more than 18 years, as well as application are reviewed accepted twice a year. And apart from that, like it is not like that if you have a good experience in AWS using into the organization, then and only you get accepted into this program. But it is giving opportunity to every level of the people, like student can also join this program, CTO or CEO level people can also join this program, some middle experience people can also join this program. So it is kind of like mix up community and mix up experience level, like even beginners, intermediate, expert, advanced, technology expert, and hero, even AWS hero can also join this program. So it is kind of like mix up community comes into this, and they are all collaborating together to sharing the learning and sharing the knowledge and making this vibrant AWS community throughout the globe. So one thing is like this membership always lasts for the 1 year, and then you need to reapply every year. So based on your performance or how you are supporting and helping to the community, you are get renewed in this program. Like I was renewed for recently, I was renewed for third year. I joined in 2020. Now I renewed for continuously in third year. Okay, and once you accepted into this program, what you have to do, like once you accepted into, like after you did application, you need to wait and watch. AWS Community Builder team will send you the email, like whether you are accepted into this program or you are rejected into this program. They will notify you. If you are accepted into this program, you need to do some NDA sign, so that you need to do some agreement with the AWS Community Builder team. And based on that, once you get shortlisted and final email, you will be officially on board, and there will be a Slack channels where you add it into those channels where you are able to network and communicate with each and every person in the AWS Community Builder program, as well as the AWS employees and AWS heroes and lot of peoples and lot of technical minded talented peoples. You are able to directly communicate. You are able to join virtual calls with them. You are also able to participate in mentorship opportunity. You are able to attend the webinars happen every weeks, and there are a lot of things like reinvent kind of discussion happening. Also there are beta programs, new feature launching kind of under NDA session happening. Those also like even AWS product team working on that particular product development, they are also taking a suggestion from this exciting AWS technical people, community builder technical peoples, and they are keep improving their product for the end customer. So it is kind of like a lot of good opportunity at the end in this program. So this is something about the overall process. Like you can land into this, add your name to list, apply. Then once you apply, you have some content ready. Before you apply application, you have at least 2 content ready, 2 category ready. And once you applied, you need wait and watch. Once you accepted NDA, and then you are boom, like you are into the program. But it's not the end, right? You need to keep learning, you need to keep sharing your knowledge, and you have to build your network. So that way you will be make worth joining this program. Like after joining this program and you are in silent mode, there is no use of joining AWS Community Builder program. It is strongly recommend for only AWS enthusiastic people who are really excited about learning and sharing their knowledge. Okay, so this is a really good program for those who are really excited about keep learning AWS services, keep learning AWS technologies, new upcoming features, services, and lot of things. They are really excited about learning it and continuously sharing their knowledge through either a tutorial or either a blog, videos, or giving a talk into the community. So that way this program will be really worth, so that you can whatever you are getting, you can share that with the community. Okay, so this is how you can start your journey toward the AWS Community Builder program. And now I will talk a bit about how was just giving a high level highlights on my AWS Community Builder journey. I was started AWS Community Builder journey in 2020, and then as soon as I got accepted into the program, I was get the email like this. Yeah, so as soon as I was joined the program, I was get email, I was accepted into the program, and then I was get this exciting welcome swag kit once I joined the AWS Community Builder program. So there are a lot of swags come excellent swag come into this welcome kit, where I get this all the details. So here I already posted this before. It is really exciting journey when I was first time joined this program, and there are a lot of things you can see in my post, like learning and sharing, mentorship from the AWS expert that offer technical resources, meet apps awesome people from throughout the global, networking opportunity like beta service access, even directly interact with AWS heroes, product owner, and many people's like promotional credits and content creation guide and supporting. There are webinars from expert, even like Jeff War, event chief evangelist, and awesome friendly team from AWS side helping each and every builders always, like AWS Community Builder Program Manager Jason Dunn, and there are many other team member in that AWS Community Builder Program managing. They are really doing exciting jobs to make this program successful, and they are listening each and every builders in this program and keep it improving at each and every level since I observing it since 2020. So it is really nice swag I was received as my welcome once I joined it. After that, this was my first swag when I was joined it, and then also after joining this program, I was also officially launched my own YouTube channel, and this was my first video so far, like AWS API Gateway, Lambda and Node.js operation. It is a serverless API development into the AWS. So it was the started journey, and right now this my video is having around near about 10,000 views, but it is kind of like journey started here and then it's moving. Like now my channel is really grow because I am continuously sharing my contents on regarding AWS different topic. Recently you can see I said about Blue Athena, transfer family, and lot of other things. So this is my channel Learn and Grow, and I already have a more subscriber now. So actually my target is to this mission to help everyone learn and grow every day in this community. Okay, so that is why I launched this channel to mainly create the AWS content. So that is how this journey started, and then it's not stop, it is continuously going that journey. Here I created some blog post article on AWS step function. Even here I created some tutorial on Amazon Event Bridge video tutorials. Then I also shared to the AWS Rescale community my session regarding the Amazon Event Bridge different demos on different workflow on Amazon Event Bridge, event pattern demo and task scheduling demo using AWS Lambda. So this is a really exciting session I was contributed to reskill even through this AWS Community Builder journey as a part of this journey. Yeah, of course, like sharing and learning, right? I was also attend in between lot of webinars every week's happening in the AWS Community Builder program. So that helped me to keep learning, and at the end I am sharing those content back to the community. So it is really kind of win-win situation to join this program. And here is my another swag, where I was accepted into this program for another years after joining in 2020, and this swag I received in 2021. So this is a really awesome swag, and it is give us energy to learn and continuously share in this program. So I am always saying a lot of thanks to AWS Community Builder program team, Jason Dunn and all, to making this kind of awesome swag for the AWS Community Builder enthusiastic community builder members, to give them energy. This is not just a piece of bag, but it is a really more than one kind of, like we can say, awards to like learning and sharing things with the community, diverse community throughout the globe. So it is really good one. And here also I want to see, like I was also shared some more article on like AWS serverless development coding best practice for infrastructure as a code, and Lambda Node.js coding best practices. There are a lot of content sharing here. I also created a video tutorial on my YouTube channel regarding like AWS Lambda function URL mapping to the custom domain using Amazon CloudFront and Route 53. So here like it is a really exciting journey to creating this content and sharing with the community. And once someone are learning and exploring their careers, they are asking about, like it is really good to learn from your tutorials and learn from your blogs, learn from your videos. It is really give a proud to be AWS Community Builder, and they are asking me why and how I can join AWS Community Builder program. So that is why today I am just sharing this exciting session, so everyone get idea like how they can start their journey. And once they just join this program, it is not the end, this is just the beginning. Like once you join AWS Builder program, it is the real journey. Then after the real journey started, so don't be a silent after you join this program. You need to keep learning, keep sharing. Okay, so this is are some things. I am not showing everything, but then you can see here, like in between there are not just the few benefits, but there are a lot of things. We always getting rewards, we always getting the energy, excitement from the program management teams. You can see, like I was get selected as one of the top 25 AWS Community Builder community contributor for in APAC in Japan region in this quarter, like 22 Q1 quarter. So it was a really pleasure to be an top 25 content creator list in APAC region in Q1 of 2022. So they are also giving this kind of recognition when we do some good quality content creation. And you can see, like I was nominated in top 20 during Q1. So I would like to thank that Sarfraz and Jason and all the AWS Community Builder program. So here you can see, like this is some of the announcement, because always learning and sharing that make this program success, and that make you also success along with that, right? So this is a really exciting journey. Keep learning and keep sharing, right? Even people are supporting me throughout this journey, so this is also really exciting things. And here is the swag, like again, like once I be a top content creator, they are always giving a rewards to be like if some content creator, they are giving us a reward like this. It is not just piece of we can say like hoodies or a jacket, but it is a really rewards and really kind of like community sharing awards, we can say. So it is really a good swags we are getting once we are doing excellent job into this AWS Community Builder program. And here you can see, like, it is another announcement. I see I was nominated as a top 20 AWS community top 20 content like top 20 great content creator list from throughout the globe in AWS Community Builder program. So here I would like to say, like, this Taylor, Safra, Jason and Michelle about this nomination so far, and it was a really great journey when I was be nominated as a top 20 great content creator from throughout the globe in this AWS Community Builder. I would also like to say thanks to Serverless Guru team for supporting me in this journey. So it is really great program, this AWS Community Builder, because it is giving enthusiasm, it is giving rewards. Let us keep you continues to learning and growing your community around the globe. So it's worth, once you become builder, you need to be a real builder. So this is a really one more great rewards. This kind of journey will also happen in your AWS Community Builders journey once you join this program and you be active and keep learning and sharing. So here is also one more swag. You can see, like, this is a swag. This swag was shared once I was nominated in globally top 20 best content creator in AWS Community Builder program. So this swag was shared by AWS Community Builder team, Taylor, Jason, Michelle and Sarfraz, and all the AWS Community Builder team members. So this is a great looking swag. I always like this kind of swag because that are more than the awards for our enthusiasm toward this AWS Community Builder program. So also people are supporting me throughout this journey, so I would like to say thanks to everyone about this supporting me on this platform. LinkedIn, I am always really active on LinkedIn and continuously sharing my stuff on AWS and lot of cloud things. Here you can see, like, I was covered sharing content with AWS Community Builder community around the world. Is a really fantastic journey so far. After joining this AWS Community Builder program, I was already shared a lot of blog posts, video content belongs to the AWS serverless services through with around the globe AWS community. Like here I listed like lot of services I covered in my content, like AWS API Gateway, Lambda, Cognito, CloudFront, Event Bridge, Step Function, even like Amplify, AppSync, and Code Build, Code Pipeline, that CI/CD things, and even SAM, Serverless Framework. Even I made one video that will covering for any beginners who can learn AWS, how they can start AWS and how can they can get idea about top 50 daily using services, or like at beginner level they can get idea. Even I covered the ECS and Fargate and EKS and lot of things. So here are, it is kind of summary of all the AWS serverless services tutorial I was covered so far in this AWS Community Builder program journey to like learn from the community and giving it back to the community. So this is, I was given back to the community as a part of my AWS Community Builder program journey. They are even also giving a great supporting content reporting tool, so that give us excitement to report whatever content we are creating, and based on that they are building a library and they are giving a rewards, and it is also kind of good journey in this AWS Community Builder program. So apart from that, here also I listed one of my great tutorial content which I was created for beginners, AWS overview part 1 to 12, like how to start with AWS for beginners, top 50 trending services overview. So here I created in on my Learn and Grow YouTube channel. I was created this content for specially beginners, so who can even start their journey into the AWS cloud by using this 12 parts. So it will already cover all these 15 services overview, so they can get idea like what is exactly the AWS, what is the free tier, how they can start, and then exactly get the overview of all the daily use 15 AWS services. So this is a really great tutorial I was created for brand like whoever are starting from zero and get the idea like how exactly the AWS functioning. And so it is kind of like I would like to share the content with the community who are the student level, who would like to explore things and get into the AWS journey, starting AWS journey. So this is a really exciting tutorial for those kind of beginner level community or cloud enthusiastic people. So it is kind of like really exciting journey to sharing and learning in this program. Even I was attended lot of webinars into this program. I like each and every webinars from the team. Technical webinar, either the there are some non-technical webinar, those are teaching about like how you can create the content, what kind of things you can do, how you can make your talk success into the public speaking. So there are a lot of things. It is not just about AWS services, but there are a lot of things that even help you to grow personally, help you to continuously keep sharing quality things into the community. Here you can see like this is the swag I was get from AWS app config things, AWS app config team. I was joined some webinars from this team, and it was really good AWS app config service, and it is giving us a opportunity to implement a continuous configuration, like continuous integration we are doing. So this is a great AWS app config is really great service for continuous configuration. Okay, so like you are able to deploy your configuration without impacting your products, already running products and things. So there are great features in this, like you are able to deploy your configuration without impacting your productions. There are a lot of use cases, feature flag and all those things. So this is a kind of like we can attend the webinar, we can get the rewards like this awesome swag, right? So this is also really good things, like they are giving us a reward even in attending the webinars. These webinars, after attending webinar, I just given this back to community, like I share idea about what is app config and what are the benefit, what are the use cases, and also I shared this Warner's blog here to the community. So actually people can get idea like what is exactly this service is about, because I get the I learned from that app config webinar in the AWS Community Builder program, and then I get given back to the community as a part of this post. So I given here idea like what is exactly the app config, how it's getting benefit, what are the use cases, and what are the some resources, like here the CTO's Warner blogs to learn about app config for the continuous configuration at the speed. So this is kind of like be a part of your AWS Community Builder program journey, one part. Okay, so learning, sharing, this is just one example here. Even you can see like it is not just a kind of technical things, learning and sharing, but it is also covered the diverse community here. AWS Community Builder program giving an opportunity to everyone from throughout the world to join this program and have a global diversity from around the world. So I was also be a part of this video. Here you can see this is my photo. I was be a part of this video, and this video is currently on shared by Jason, and this video currently already on homepage of this AWS Community Builder Program. So here this is my video, and I was also be a part of this video. So it is really great to be represent the AWS Community Builder as a diverse community from throughout the globe. So it's really great to build this kind of collaborative video with the teams, and I would like to say thanks to the AWS Community Builder video mixer team and Jason Dunn to give this such idea and creating video like this. So I was also be a part of this video, so it was a great and it is also on homepage of this AWS Community Builder Program. You can see me here, okay, and with I used some swags as well in my video. So again, this is a one more swag which I was received because I was again nominated as a top 25 content creator in Q2 quarter for 2022 in APJ region one more time. So it is the swag regarding it, like it is an awesome swag I get from Serverless and the Jason Dunn AWS Community Builder team to be on top 25 content creator list once again in Q2 quarter for APJ region. So it is really exciting journey because we are continuously creating content, sharing it to the community, learning from the webinars and giving it back to the community, and those we are getting in terms of reward. So this is a really great work this program AWS Community Builder is about. And here you can see like whatever the swag I get from the AWS Community Builder Program, I was wear that swag in one of the AWS Community Day event, and it was looking really different. Like from this crowd, this AWS Community Builder swag was really outstanding looking. So I would like to say thanks to especially to Jason Dunn for giving this kind of great swags to the AWS Community Builder enthusiastic team who continuously sharing content and making this program worth. Apart from this, like it's not the journey end. I am continuous on my journey. I am always sharing great stuff regarding AWS different services, especially on AWS serverless technology. Even I covered here like AWS ISC tutorial, like implement and deploy the AWS ISC tutorial by using AWS CDK, by using SAM, and by using serverless framework. So I covered infrastructure as a code tool tutorial with hands-on demo for all the different options like CDK, SAM, and serverless framework. So anyone can start their journey with the infrastructure as a code on AWS serverless by using different technologies. So I covered the pioneer service of the serverless in the AWS. So this is kind of awesome to share this kind of content with the community. Even not this LinkedIn, I am always regularly sharing stuff to the AWS or cloud enthusiastic community. Apart from that, I am also active on Twitter and keep sharing things. Like you can see I posted my AWS part 1 to 12 before beginners, and there are a lot of content I am always sharing. I am also recently sharing about reinvent, because reinvent is a hot topic nowadays. So don't miss these keynotes from the leaders in the this year's 2022 reinvent keynotes. Okay, so this is a really going to really exciting things. And also keep following this Learn and Grow Everyday channel. I will always share a lot of stuff on AWS as a part of this AWS Community Builder Program. So here you can see I recently said tutorial about SFTP, AWS SFTP, AWS Glue Athena, and lot more content will come up. So thanks to the AWS Community Builder team for giving me this opportunity to be a part of this program, giving me the opportunity to attend a lot of webinars, giving me opportunity to subscribe to give a free subscription to the Cloud Academy to learn a lot of new courses free of cost, giving me the certification voucher to get the certification done in the free of cost as a part of this program, giving me a lot of credit like 500 credits when I joined this program. Once I get nominated in top 25 list, I was get another 500 credit dollars. Again, second time I was nominated, third time I was nominated in top 20 or 25 as a top content creator list. I was get another 200 or 500 dollar credit. So it was a really exciting. We are getting rewards. We are using those rewards to create a lot of more contents, and we are sharing those content with the community, cloud enthusiastic community from throughout the world. So this is really what this program is about, when we continuously learning and sharing this program. So I am looking forward to this exciting journey on this AWS Community Builder program in this third year. And thank you so much again, AWS Community Builder team, Jason Dunn, and all AWS Community Builder team, for giving me opportunity to get into this third year of my third year journey in this program. I am looking forward to learn a lot and share a lot of content with the wider AWS community throughout the globe. And thank you so much. And if you have anything you want to explore on AWS Community Builder program, you can see here. You can add your name to the wish list. Go ahead and add today itself and apply once the application started. And also, if you want to explore about the existing community builder, you can see here the directory of existing community builder. Here you can search my name, like I was already there, part of this. So same way here you can see like all the community builders. Sometimes someone asking like how many members are there. Here you can see that count also. So go ahead and join this AWS Community Builder program today itself. Add your name in wish list. Once application open second time, do go and apply.
Hi.
Hello.
Okay. So this is a really awesome.
Hello, builder and future builder.
I'm
AWS
Community Builder.
AWS
Community Builder.
Builder.
I am a community builder.
I'm from Sri Lanka,
Germany,
Pakistan,
Japan,
Tanzania,
Australia,
India,
Belgium.
worldwide.
What does it mean to be an AWS community builder?
Community, passion.
It's an opportunity like no other.
You're part of a global network of people learning AWS technologies together.
It's a group of buzzing and energetic people.
I am able to interact with various community builders from all over the world.
You have the opportunity to meet like minds, to learn from the best,
to bring innovative ideas,
to continuously further my knowledge of AWS,
grow professionally in your career,
and learn from each other.
You get to learn from industry experts
and share my knowledge.
AWS tools and resources, the credits, mentorship and networking opportunities as well.
This program is for everyone, from student to intermediate to expert.
Being a teacher at heart, I love writing and using my gifts and talents to share and help educate people on AWS. So I have the permission to be as creative as possible.
It's a form of recognition for my work, recognition for my creation, and AWS encouraged me to create more and more.
And what I like about the community is its unbound potential for growth.
It's a great network opportunity with fellow builders that love what they do.
I'm really passionate about helping and creating an impact in my community.
Awesome, passionate, like-minded people.
You have the opportunity to upskill yourself.
You have meetups, you've got events, you have a wealth and a plethora of different people from different walks of life.
Together, we can do so much.
Being an amazing, priceless experience.
And you can find powerful tools to improve the world in so many ways.
That's what I love about AWS community.
This is a really great opportunity.
It feels great that my learnings help others in the community with their AWS journey.
I do love and always recommend AWS Community Builder programs.
I am super excited that I got accepted into this program.
We're waiting for you.
You can get awesome swags like this jacket.
It's about you being you, so go ahead, apply.
Just do it.
Let's build